Greetings to all my dear children. I welcome you all once again in our English class. In today's class, we are going to start with lesson number 12, which is a poem Creative Minds. So before moving forward, let us discuss what is the meaning of creative. Dear children, creative means involvement of your new ideas and imagination to create something to create something new. In this poem, a child like you, whose mind is full of new ideas and creativity, wants to invent a new pair of spectacles. So, before moving forward, let us understand this jet set activity. So here you have to think of something you cannot live without. आपको एक ऐसी चीज के बारे में सोचना है जिसके बिना आप नहीं रह सकते हैं, एंड देन यू हैव टू आंसर दीज क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट यू विल थिंक व्हाई डू यू नीड इट. आपको किस चीज का आंसर देना है कि आपको वो चीज क्यों चाहिए. सेकेंडली यू हैव टू आंसर व्हाट वुड यू हैव डन इफ इट हैड नॉट एग्जिस्टेड. अगर वो चीज एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती, अगर वो चीज होती ही नहीं, तो आप क्या करते. Thirdly, you will answer, would you like to make it better? क्या आप उस चीज को और ज्यादा बेटर बनाना चाहते हैं. So first you have to answer these questions. First you have to think of something you cannot live without. आपको वो चीज के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा. Then only you will be able to answer these questions. Okay, dear children. So let us start with our poem. I told you in the beginning only. Here, this poem is about a child like you, whose mind is full of new ideas and creativity, and that child wants to invent an extraordinary pair of spectacles. So let us read the poem. I want to invent spectacles. No ordinary ones will they be. They'll work on switches as it suits me. So here a child, he or she wants to invent a pair of spectacles. These are spectacles. Okay. So pair of spectacles. So the child wants to invent these spectacles, pair of spectacles, but those spectacles will not be the ordinary one, will not be any common thing. They will work on switches according to the child's need. Okay. जिस तरीके से child, जो बच्चा चाहे उस तरीके से उन pair of spectacles को switch कर सकता है, change कर सकता है. So here let us read what the child wants in his or her spectacles. Switch 1 and I see better. Switch 1 से वो क्या करेगी या क्या करेगा, वो बहुत अच्छे से देख पाएगा. Switch 2, hey, I read better. Switch 2 will be used to read the words better. Switch 3 will be used to, switch 3 for a tiny wiper. Switch 3 will be used to clean the glasses. What is the meaning of wiper? Wiper here means which is used to clean the glasses. Okay. So switch 3 will clean the will act as a tiny wiper to clean the glasses, and switch 4 will help to take a picture. Okay. switch 4 कैसा switch होगा जिससे कोई भी किसी भी तरीके की pictures click की जा सकती होंगी, like a camera. Switch 5 will magnify, and switch 5 will be used to magnify the things. What is the meaning of magnify? To make something look और appear larger than it is. Okay. जितनी जो चीज होती है उससे भी ज्यादा बड़ी देखने के लिए we need to magnify it. Okay. So switch 5 will be used to magnify things. Okay. उनको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से देखने के लिए switch 5 का यूज किया जाएगा. Now come to next page, page number 176. I'll notice the bugs that pass by. Switch 6 to zoom and watch. The birds flying high. Switch 7 for stars gazing out in the open night sky. So with switch 5, the child will magnify things and will also notice the bugs. No, bugs means insects. The switch 5 will be used to magnify things and will be used to notice the bugs that pass by. जो insects मेरे आसपास से गुजरेंगे उनको भी मैं magnify करके switch 5 से देख पाऊंगी या देख पाऊंगा. Switch 6 to zoom and watch. Switch 6 जो है वो किस लिए यूज किया जाएगा? To zoom and watch. Zoom also means to enlarge things. Okay. चीजों को बड़ा करके देखना. So switch 6 से मैं चीजों को बड़ा करके देख पाऊंगी. And what I can see, I want to see with that zoom, with that switch 6, I want to see birds flying so. जो जितने भी bird जो हैं बहुत दूर आकाश में उड़ती हैं, उनको भी मैं अच्छे से देखना चाहती हूँ. Switch 7 for stars gazing out in open night sky. Switch 7 will be used to see the stars, to look at the stars. Gazing means to stare at something. ठीक है. So switch 7 will be used to look at the stars in the open night sky. Until such time as I make these, my plain old pair would be fine. Say, do you have any ideas just as same as mine? But in the end, what the poet is saying, what the child is saying, जब तक ये time नहीं आता है, until I make such pair of spectacles, जब तक मैं ऐसे pair of spectacles नहीं बनाती हूँ, my plain old pair, जो मेरे पुराने pair of spectacles हैं, वो बिल्कुल अच्छे हैं. Those pair of spectacles are just fine. And the poet is asking you, dear children, do you also have same ideas just as mine? क्या तुम्हारे दिमाग में भी ऐसे ही thoughts और ideas आते हैं जैसे मेरे दिमाग में आते हैं to invent something new? Yes. So if you have such ideas, you have to write here. Okay, you can write here in the book if you have such ideas. Okay, so dear children, what you have to do after reading the poem, after watching the video, you have to do this jet going activity, which is very easy. You have to read the poem again, okay, which is your homework, and then you have to match the switch numbers in column A to their function in column B. Like switch 1 will be used to ensure a better eyesight. Okay, switch 2 will be used to read better. Okay, so likewise you have to choose the function of each switch from column B. Okay, then you have to match column A with column B. Okay, and dear children, you have to write difficult words and word meanings of this poem in your notebook. I hope all of you have enjoyed and understood the poem well. So, if you do not understand anything, you can ask me on my personal number. Thank you.